Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of our weekly product review. Today we'll be exploring the IP camera tester. This device is designed for the installation and maintenance of IP cameras, analog camera, as well as testing the 4.2 HK camera through the mainstream. The combination of touchscreen and key buttons make the IP camera tester very user-friendly. Its specifications are model 98,000 plus IP camera tester, 1280 by 800 resolution, network port 10 by 100 by 1000 meter auto adjust RJ45. It has built-in Wi-Fi, speed 150 meters. It allows you to connect to a wireless network and view IP cameras. It supports analog and IP camera image, zooming and movement. Its portability, user-friendly design, and other functions make the IP tester an essential tool for all installers and technicians. The 1280 by 800 resolution enables it to display network HD cameras and analog cameras in high resolution. On-screen management, live mode and normal mode. You can change the icon sequence or self-define the number of icons on each page. The tester is also a great tool for Ethernet network testing. It can test PoE power voltage, ping and IP address session. It is used to test LAN cable for proper connection termination. This device has self-defined icons, desktop and application interface background, and it also modifies interface sliding effects. Other functions of this IP camera tester include providing 24W PoE power to your camera, HDMI output, CVBS loop test, testing IP and analog at a time, LED flashlight, DC 12V two-way power. The drop-down menu include PoE power switch, IP setting, wide LAN switch, HDMI output functions. Its working temperature is between -10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees. IP discovery. This helps to auto-scan the network segment camera IP. Rapid OMVIF. It enables the device to search camera quickly, auto-login, and display image from the camera, and also activate the camera. Thank you for joining us in this edition of our tech product review. If you have any tech product you would like us to review, send us a mail on info@techtvafrica.com.